How's it going, everyone? I'm Tom. Welcome back to my channel. My brother and I are magnet fishing once again. We are at a location we've never been to. We're in a city, a fairly large city. It's our first time actually magnet fishing like in the middle of a city from a bridge, so hopefully we can find some cool stuff. It's gonna be in the Erie Canal. Some people told me that they drain it, but they don't drain it completely. So we'll see what we can find. I'm pretty excited about this. How about you there, buddy? He says yes. All right, let's see what we can get. A lot of traffic. First toss. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Bunch of rope left. I gotta find something in here. All right. Just some scrap metal stuff. Scrap. Put it in a bucket. Hey, there's metal in here. Did I finally find something? Oh, I found something. What in the world is, what even is that? It's a cap. A cap. To what? Who knows? But it's really old. And then all that. Holy. Anything in there? Okay, a cap, Julian. We found a cap. A freaking cap. A cap to a drink is what it looks like. See it? See the cap?
That's a cap.
That's a cap.
That's a cap.
No cap?
No cap.
That's a cap.
That is a cap.
Cap.
No cap.
No cap. That's a cap. Well, that's a thing. There's hope, Julian. I found a cap. No cap. I found a cap. All right, yeah, we gotta go find somewhere else. Whew. All right, we're gonna go find another place. We found a cap.
It's a nice cap.
That's about it. That's all we found was a cap to a something. Cap to a drink. That's about what it looked like. Next spot. Let's go, bro. How's it going? Care for down here at all? We're gonna do some magnet fishing. Yeah. Throw a magnet in the water, try to pull out some metal. Can't really tie off to anything. So.
Tie to your wrist, man.
No. That splash though. Hey, I found something. Oh, that's some sort of sinker, because there's a fishing line attached to it. So what? See? What? Some sort of sinker. Cool. Hey, look at that. Found a screw. Screw on one side, just scrap on the other. A screw. Beautiful. Put it in a bucket. What? Hope so. Hey, look. A nail. A nail. And another nail. A smaller, very rusted out nail. 2 nails and a screw, bud. 2 nails and a screw. Yeah, you too. Hey, look at that. What'd I get there? Just some wire. Some wire. You'd think you'd find something a lot more than just a little bit of wire when you're in a city, but doesn't seem like that's the case. Put it in a bucket. Hey, put it in a bucket. Put it in a bucket. What you got to say, Julian?
This was a great trip. It was so fun. I really enjoyed it. I'm very enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic?
I'm very joyful for what.
Enthusiastic? Is that what you were going to say?
Yeah, that word, bro.
Next stop, Buffalo. That's what we're trying next. There or Jamestown, one or the other. Rochester.
You let us down.
You let us down. I don't know if it was us or we couldn't really find a whole lot of places. We came up here about a week ago looking for different places to possibly go magnet fishing, and we found some decent places, which you saw 2 of them. I had originally marked like 20 some spots, but we are going to have to find somewhere else a good spot. I cannot wait to find that spot, but we're looking. If anyone is from the Western New York area, anywhere in Western New York is maybe at most 2.5 hours from me, at most, and that's like well up past Niagara Falls. So if anyone lives in this area, leave a comment for me. Let me know of possible places to magnet fish, and I will try it. I'm thirsty. Hungry for some metal, or at least some cool stuff to find. All right, anything to say, Jew?
I really enjoyed the day, bro. This is some good ice.
That Chick-fil-A ice dough. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, whenever that is. Thanks. Bye-bye.
This is some good ice, bro.
Okay.